नमस्कार, समाधान में आपका स्वागत है।
Hello and welcome to Samadhan. I'm Mrunali Gupta, tarot card reader and a student's counselor. You have prepared well for your competitive exams, but still must be having lot many doubts as to how good is your preparation, what else you should do, how will your first round and the second round be, and the most important, how will your result be? All these questions, answers you will get in this video. This tarot card reading is a guidance about what needs to be done to achieve success in your competitive exams. But before we start, just a reminder that if you have still not subscribed to my channel, please do so and hit that bell icon as well, so that you get timely notifications whenever I load my new videos. And if the reading resonates with you, do give me a thumbs up, share it with your family and friends so that they can also benefit out of it. So in today's reading, we have 3 piles as usual. To select the pile, take 2 or 3 deep breaths and choose the pile which attracts you the most. That is your pile. You can also choose more than one pile. Maybe it has some important message for you. So as you can see, the pink cute little octopus is pile number 1. The orange is pile number 2 and the green is pile number 3. If you need, you can pause the video, select your pile and then go ahead. So if you have selected pile number 1, this is your reading. You have done a lot of hard work and have prepared well for your written exams or the first round of exams. But still, you need to focus and concentrate on your goal achievement and not to get distracted. Mind you, please do not get distracted. You also need to work a little more on your language and communication skills and the current topics. Do a little research on the latest development concerning your field. This reading has a good news and a caution as well. You will be able to crack your first round effectively well and well within the time limit given. But for the next round, you have to still work very hard. You also have to be very cautious that you do not underestimate your competitors and become overconfident. Do not get very anxious. Relax, but stay focused. Your efforts will reflect in your result. At the moment, your result can be on either side. So students, pull up your socks and put in that extra bit of effort for that celebrations at the end. So all the best and do well. Don't forget to write your views and share the result in the comment box. If you have selected pile number 2, then here is your reading. You are fully prepared and confident to take up your exams. You have put in a lot of efforts to make your notes and prepare well for your exams. What you need to do right now is revise all your old notes and concepts well. Go through your basics once. Also try and attempt a level up question you have those HOTS, higher order thinking questions. Try and attempt few of those. Solve previous year's question papers. And yes, don't ignore that language part, because we have a tendency, we work hard in our technicals very nicely and ignore the language part. But for you, a gentle reminder that you have to brush up your language skills as well. You should be able to attempt your written or the first level paper without any difficulties and will score good marks in it. the second level will not go as expected. Don't get disheartened. There is still a chance to improve it. To avoid this situation, you need to do a back check. Did you leave anything or any important topic, keeping it for the last moment? If yes, please check it out. Go thoroughly through the syllabus and the guidelines given and make sure you have covered every bit of it. But if, God forbid, the second round does not go as expected, don't get disheartened, as your first round marks will cover it up. And you, with your constant hard work, will achieve great success. You should just go with the flow, be open to new and innovative creative ideas, relax a bit, but don't get diverted from your focus. Concentrate and focus on your goals. Your result will be better than what you're expecting. So all the best, do well. Don't forget to write your views in the comment box. If you have selected pile number 3, this cute little green baby octopus, then here's a reading. You are very confident and satisfied about your preparation for your forthcoming competitive exams. It's very good to have a strong belief system. When you have full faith and believe strongly on your hard work, the universal energies also back you. But a word of caution, as there is a very thin line in between being confident and becoming overconfident. So be focused and do not become extra carefree or risk taker. Remember, a balanced approach towards everything yields far better results. So be confident, but do not get overboard or overconfident. Your first round will be tough, but you will be able to do justice with your hard work. Your second round will be extremely good and you will outshine others despite having a very tough competition with others. You also need to do a deep research on the current topics. Be aware of the current happenings around you and in your field. This will be very helpful in your second round. You might feel a little disappointed with your result, although it will be very positive. But somewhere down the line, you will not be very satisfied, or it will not be up to the mark or what you were expecting. Hold on and embrace yourself. Look at your future security. It will bring and focus on your goals. Overall, a very good and positive reading, and I can foresee a very good and bright future for you people. So all the best and do well. Do not forget to write your views and share your result in the comment box. Share it with your family and friends so that they can also benefit out of it. Take care. Thanks for watching. Until next time, lots of love and light sent your way. Lots of gratitude for watching this video and being with me. Take care.